You're gonna see some whiskey barrels in this video. I use the Rockville uplights. They're just a simple little budget uplight, but they do the trick. Alright, let's get into the video.
I am the bartending photo boothing rental guy.
Since we're limited to only having events of a certain size, let's see what we can do in our backyard with a pop-up tent.
Better yet, I'm gonna do a setup in my backyard. You can do this too. Due to the world's current situation, this might be a way to benefit out of it, advertising backyard weddings. So if you do a mock setup, then people can see what you have, how it's set up, and get a vision of how it's gonna work in their backyard.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Okay, so as you know, I'm all about longer versions and shorter versions of all my videos, so if you want the longer version, click right here. Or wait, is it right here? I don't know.